Welcome back to the series. Okay, so here we're just doing a bit more to the sign up function. First of all, you're going to come in here, add these variables, token and user ID, and then we'll come down to token here. So you also want to add this variable here, because from the data we can get the user ID. So we'll put it up here, and then we'll make this the user ID, and then from this we get a token ID. So we'll get that token ID, then set this token up here to the token ID, and then we're going to create this info here, because this will get stored in our database like so. So we're doing that, and then we're going to write to the database. So we go admin.firestore.doc users, so obviously this one users, and then we're going to use the username as the document ID, and that's the data there. So set user info, this is user info, we're going to set that in the database, and then is successful, going to 201 and show the token, and then we're going to catch errors, any errors, and if the error is email already in use, we're going to return this code here, else we'll return this. So if you actually just get rid of, if you just return this, you'd get this back here in the console. Sorry, you get this back here. And so if that's the case, we're going to return a JSON with this. So once that's all done, you're going to Command S, and then as always, Firebase deploy -- only functions. Click enter. I've already done it. So we'll get username taken. We'll change the username. So if you didn't already know, you actually get the API and then /signup, just like this one here. Sorry, you're gonna have to write all these values in. Oh no, we've already done that last lesson, so it should all be there. Click send. I think we'll get email already in use. Yes, we do. So we'll just add another few numbers. And then we get the token. So it's gone through, everything's passed, and we're getting the token here, like so. And then I'll explain this token later. It's just a token so we can create documents. If you don't have the token, you're gonna have to log in again to get the token to be able to create certain documents. So I hope that's all good. Now I'll just go through it and zoom in for you, so it's easy for you to see. So once again, if you have any errors, if you're having trouble, it's not working, you're not getting your token, come through to logs, and I'll try and find my last error. I'm not sure what that one's about. Can't read property of UID undefined. And that was on JS 123. So 123. So did we set the user ID? Did we? Yeah, we did set the ISO, so it must be in the past issue, so that's all good. So yeah, I hope that all goes well for you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.